Spain is a colorful, cheerful, sunny country located in the southwest of Europe. It occupies approximately 85% of the Iberian Peninsula, as well as the Balearic and Picus Islands in the Mediterranean Sea and the Canary Islands in the Atlantic Ocean. Spain has many cities with a history dating back more than 1 millennium, works of architectural art and pristine beaches, which attracts travelers from all over the world to this fertile land. The heights of the Pyrenees, the Sierra Morena and the Andalusian mountains do not leave fans of outdoor activities indifferent. Ski resorts with equipped trails and magnificent landscapes receive hundreds and thousands of vacationers every year. The country of flamenco and bullfighting, as it is also called, is visited annually by an average of 30 million tourists. A real paradise for a beach holiday can be called the Canary and Balearic Islands. The best time to visit Spain is April, May and September, October. In July and August, it is very hot in most areas. It can be quite rainy in the cold season. Spaniards love to eat, drink wine and are very proud of their cuisine. Spanish cuisine can be described as quite light with lots of vegetables and a huge variety of meat and fish. Interestingly, traditional cuisine does not use a lot of spices, but relies entirely on the use of high-quality ingredients and their taste. Spanish meals are slightly different from ours. Their breakfast is light. Lunch is served at 13:00 to 15:00. After lunch, a siesta follows. Dinner is late.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.